Tropical Storm Elsa, a record-breaking fifth named storm of the season, formed early Thursday in the Atlantic, with South Florida in its cone of uncertainty for early next week. However, the National Weather Service in South Florida cautions that forecasters are still very uncertain about Elsa's track. Interests in Florida should monitor updates to the forecast for this system, but it is too soon to determine what if any impacts could occur there next week given the uncertainty in the long-range forecast, the National Hurricane Center wrote in its 5 a.m. Thursday advisory. Elsa is the earliest known fifth named storm recorded for the Atlantic Basin in the satellite era, which began in 1966, according to the National Hurricane Center. The previous record was formerly held by Edouard on July 6, 2020. A tropical storm warning is in effect for St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Warnings also are in effect for Barbados, Martinique and St. Lucia. A tropical storm watch was issued Thursday for Grenada and its dependencies. A watch is also in effect for Guadeloupe. Forecasters expect additional watches and warnings will be issued later Thursday and say that tropical storm conditions will likely begin in the warning and watch areas on Friday. The state says it has created a contingency storm plan in case Elsa comes to South Florida when crews are still working at the partially collapsed building in Surfside, near Miami Beach, where more than 140 people are still missing. Where is Elsa now and where is it going? Tropical Storm Elsa has sped up and strengthened a bit as of the 11 a.m. update and is still on a projected path to cross the eastern Caribbean on Friday. NHCElsa was about 680 miles east-southeast of the Windward Islands, as of the Hurricane Center's 11 a.m. Thursday advisory. The storm was speeding west at 28 miles per hour with maximum sustained winds at 45 miles per hour with higher gusts and is expected to pick up its pace in the next day or so as it moves west-northwest. Tropical storm force winds extend up to 90 miles from the center, mainly to the north. Over the next day or so Elsa is expected to strengthen as it travels over a patch of warm water, high humidity and low wind shear. But forecasters said Elsa's rapid pace could split the storm's top and bottom half up, which could halt strengthening. The current projected path also takes Elsa over some mountainous islands, another potential weakening factor. The system is forecast to pass near or over portions of the Windward Islands or the southern Leeward Islands on Friday before moving into the eastern Caribbean Sea late Friday. It is then expected to move near the southern coast of Hispaniola on Saturday. The Hurricane Center says there's still a lot of uncertainty in Elsa's track after day 3. Some models have it turning northward after interacting with Hispaniola. Other models take Elsa across western Cuba and into the southeastern Gulf of Mexico.